Yo, yo, Jared James HD, Jared Tries Trading. This is episode number 3 out of my 100 video challenge. Pretty good day today. Thanks for stopping by. Let's take a look at how we did. 100% win rate. I said it yesterday. We want to be at least 70. So today I had a really good day, and I think I can attribute that to just taking my base hits. None of these are real home runs. None of these are going to make me rich. But keeping my win rate up, not giving back money to the market is never a bad thing, especially with the market backdrop. It's not really trending anywhere. It was going sideways for most of the day until the end of the day, but I took my wins where I could, and it ended up with a profitable day. $144. Let's get it. Go buy a Big Mac tonight. So let's look at the market first, real quick. What happened today? Transition, there you go. Right here was where I made the bulk of my trades. In this area, the market wasn't doing anything, so I wanted to take advantage of these small little rallies here and the little dips, and I used these dips as my exit points too, which I didn't really do intentionally, but it just seemed intuitive to me to do that, and it actually worked out pretty well today. So let's get into some of my trades. Oh, and I swung 2 trades from yesterday, and I was able to get out of those profitable, or at least scratch. On my GS trade from yesterday, I was down like $250 on it, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Relative strength, option, swing. As you can see, I got here at the top, bought into strength, went against me right away, but that's the value of leaning on the daily, I suppose. And I'm so happy that I got up for the open. Sometimes, like in the past months, I would get up and I would log on, and the shit would be already over here, and I would have had a chance to sell. So I sold right up here at this wick, and I actually made a pretty good profit. 5% return, $60. Pretty cool with me, considering I was down $250. So I feel like I managed that one well. And for Snap, this one took forever, and I actually left money on the table. But I was happy with getting back to scratch. As you can see, I endured all this pain here. I was down like 150 bucks, and today it just drifted lower, and I got out right when I could. I actually thought I was going to be up like 20 bucks, but the spread must have been a little bit big. As you can see, the FOMC minutes statement, whatever it is, I really don't know what it is yet, came out around this time, and the whole market tanked. So I would have been able to get more profit out of it, but I wasn't sure what the hell was going on in the market. So I took that as a win, a little scratch. Let's go over some of these wins real quick. Walmart, a nice 6% win, took 1 call contract. And again, I like these quick little moves. These green bars were stacking. Volume was increasing. On this bar right here, I said, man, that's so much buy volume. I want to get a piece of it. And who knows, that might have been chasing a little bit of FOMO, but at the time, let's see, 145. Let's go over here to, is this Walmart? And the time was what, 10:35. So right here, let's see what SPY was doing. Yeah, so this is pretty much at the peak. SPY was starting to show some weakness here at 10:35. Let's pull up SPY, and I pretty much used that as my exit. So 10:35, all these small little candles, no follow through from this little rally was a little sus to me, and I got out on these tiny candles, which is all I could ask for, man. If I held on thinking that I'm, super pro, I would have drifted down all the way, and it would never rally, and I would have had to lean on the daily, but I don't like the daily here. So it didn't break out above any horizontal resistance. Well, it did for a little bit, but it didn't confirm or anything. So I didn't really want to swing this. So I kept it short, kept it intraday, and I came out with a nice little profit. Let's see, what other trades did I take today? Microsoft, I think I was on the short side. I bought one put contract. Nice little 2.5% return, $30. Some people see that as a scratch. I'll take the $30 any day. And again, this was another quick one. Sell volume up. Stock was dropping. Small little doji. I could have got more out of it if I was just patient with it. But again, I had no idea what the market was trying to do today. So let's go. What time was this at? 12:35. The market at 12:35 was right here, showing these big red candles. So I took this little move here and was done with it. I didn't know it was gonna keep going down. FOMC minutes was supposed to come out sometime. I didn't know how the market reacts to that. Obviously, the market didn't like it, and it would have been even more profitable. But again, when you don't know what the market's doing and your confidence isn't that high in the trade, get in and get out. And there's nothing wrong with that, I don't think. Or maybe I'll learn how to hold better. But that's a cool little trade. And let's do, what is this, Kroger? Sometimes I notice that when tech stocks are dropping, a lot of money goes into these kind of old school companies like Kroger, like brick and mortar companies. What is it like? I don't know. Sometimes I see Coca-Cola, stuff like that, moving up while the market's down. So nice little win, 4%. Nothing to write home about. Took one call contract, and I rode this little move here. I think paying attention to the markets really helped me today with my exits. I got in at 11:20, 12:30. So let's see. What is this? KR. Switch charts. KR, I got in at 11:22, which is right here at this peak. And let's see what SPY was doing at that time. Got in at this peak. It dropped with the stock market, and then I took the move with the SPY rally right here. And then I exited at 12:31, which is right when SPY was tanking. So my exit point was lit today on this one. And just to make it easier to see, let's see, exit at 12:31. Bam, 12:30. This red bar was forming on SPY. Bearish cross right here on the 1 OP. And that told me to exit out of my trade, which to me, I'm really happy about. Paying attention to the market, noticing I have some tailwind here, and just getting out when I don't have it. So really happy with that. Again, $10. What the hell is that going to do? But for now, it's about being consistent, finding the right stocks, and knowing how to navigate the market depending on if it's an inside day, trending day, and pretty much getting the market right. I didn't know what the hell the market was doing, so I took quick trades, or I tried to anyways. And I'm holding one stock. This is the only one that I held, and like I said, I think I was supposed to be taking quick stocks or quick trades. I took QCOM. Can't show the charts, so we'll switch back to this one. One call contract. I got in at 11:36, right here at the top. And what was SPY doing? So these bars right here showed me relative strength, but most stocks are not going to be able to withstand a heavy market. So I think that's what happened. It lost relative strength, then it followed the SPY pretty much for the rest of the day. And right here on this little rally, it did have relative strength. And I debated getting out on this wick for maybe minus 10 or 20, which I probably should have. But I'm leaning on the daily for this one. I didn't know the FOMC minutes would do this to the market. I don't even know what the hell it does. Like, it's probably my first time trading it. So the pros knew to be careful, but they were also taking trades and getting ready for this move here, which they've seen before. I haven't. So I'm holding QCOM. I have 2 weeks left till expiration on my option. So it ended up a doji. When I was watching it earlier in the day, this was a nice green bar, and I was thinking it's gonna break this horizontal resistance here. It's above all SMAs, but today just pretty much sold off. QQQ sold off, and the stock went with it. So when in doubt, lean on the daily. It's not my favorite daily. At the time, it was strong, but now we'll see what happens. I'm thinking maybe, when will I cut it? Maybe I have this line, or maybe I have this line. So if it breaches this, I might look to cut it. It's going to be a pretty big loss if I wait till down there. But I may give it room to move. I got 2 weeks. And again, SPY, if we look at the daily, if we get a bounce here at the SMA 50, I think we'll still be in good shape. Even if the next 2 days sell off, we'll have another week or two for it to bounce to all-time highs, hopefully. Or who knows, maybe we're done for in this bullish market and we're dead. But we'll see, play it by ear. Today was a great day. 100% win rate, $140 net return. And I'll be here tomorrow to try and put together a streak of green days. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Let me know if you have any questions. Catch me on Reddit, user Settleville, or just leave a comment below, and I'll try to help you out, one novice to another. Take it easy. See you tomorrow.